This is Richa here. Good morning to everyone, and you the warm welcome here. Today I gonna share with you so that of course you also can find this platform, so that of course you also can improve a lot and you cannot embarrass on you because you are a beginner. So if you are a beginner and if you are trying to think that how to create the environment and you are not comfortable by WhatsApp group, by any applications, so this platform actually gonna help you, because by this platform you don't need to share your number, you don't need share your DP as well, you don't need to share anything. Just try to download that applications by the Play Store, and after that you can join what I am trying to tell you. If you want to be comfortable with anyone while they're speaking English, so why are you waiting? Just watch what I am telling to you, what I want to tell, or share something. Okay, so just try to watch this video till end, so that of course you don't have need to miss opportunity in the sense of platform. That platform will help you, and just try to think, if you will stuck on this platform definitely till 1 month, I will surely say till 1 month, if you will say, so definitely you can think, oh my god, I'm actually really very good at plays. And if you are really very crazy, and definitely if owner Miss English trainer will notice to you, so definitely that owner will continue this activity, that these facilities for you all till 1 month. And if you are really very crazy, you also can reply to me by the comment box that I'm so crazy and I want to continue. You also can continue, because this platform for everyone, free of cost, no any fees. So if you are really very enthusiastic to improve your English communication, and you want to speak, and you want to create the environment, and you also want to speak many people, so definitely you also can join. So let's get started. First of all, I just tell you about that group, I will tell you about schedule, I will tell you how to work it. Okay, so I just record for you already a screen recording, so which I'm up right now, I'm trying to show you. Okay, so let's get started. See, just read this notice which I am showing to you. Dearest learners, for your information, we will not have a permanent schedule for our group. Instead, we will have weekly schedules. So, what I want to tell you to everyone, please just see. In this group, which I already considered to you all in my previous video, you also can check it. It is okay. I'm just sending this group link in the description box. You also can check it. And by Pritam is the owner in this group, and you also can check all activities in the pinup message. And there is like schedules every week is changed. So definitely, if you have time, you also can check it. And on the 1st of October, this activity has started. Very well manner and very seriously, so you can check it. 1st, 2nd and 3rd October, there is 3 dates mentioned: 1st October, 2nd October and 3rd October. 1st October, we will continue how to introduce yourself. Okay, in the 2nd, we will actually elaborate the pictures, so there will be picture sections. 3rd, we will discuss about the pronunciations, because pronunciation is so important, so we will discuss on the 3rd October pronunciations. Okay, so this is really very great things, and of course I must say, please just try to join this group and I'm just sending to you this link. And please, 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 if you want to enhance your English communication, Preetham, now actually Preetham is free, and this facility is continuously 1 month is running. If you all are really really crazy and you want, if you want enhance your learning skills, if you want enhance your speaking skills, and you want to start from basic of English, so definitely I must say, which I'm telling to you, please just try to join this group. And definitely when when had when Preetham also like noticed, so definitely he will suggest you that you also can do that thing, and definitely that thing is really really amazing for you. He is really very good, and he's also a student, and he's a teacher as well, and he's an English trainer as well. So please just try to go with that, and please just don't wait. If you are really crazy to enhance your English communication, and if you are searching any platform, this platform is really really amazing, which I am telling to you. And if you think that virtual platform is not good or bad, so I just tell you, virtual platform is really very good if you want to speak in English. And if you are really very hesitating while the speaking in English, this group is really really is only and only for yours. Because in front of Preetham, definitely no one can laugh on you. Second thing is, he will suggest you that you are speaking wrong or right. Third thing is that if you are speaking wrong, and if he notice, okay, so definitely he will tell you that your pronunciation is not good, so please just try to speak with me. So in that case, in that situation, that you will get free of facilities by this group. And so why are you waiting for that? Don't wait this opportunity, because sometimes we do not value, we do not give the value to the opportunities, and that's why you miss the opportunity. So don't miss the opportunity, don't measure with yourself, just try to be glad to get this opportunity. Don't wait, and just try to join this meeting.